getting an antibiotic won't make your cough go away any sooner, and it won't make you feel better. But there are some things you can do at home to help yourself feel better. Now, first of all, I just want to explain what's going on when you have a cough or a cold. You'll produce all this horrible mucus and feel very congested, and that is part of the body's immune response. Personally, my favourite thing to do is to steam myself, and that's to help thin that mucus, give some relief to the airways, and help me to cough that mucus up more easily, to help my immune system do its job. So personally what I do is I put some hot water in a bowl and I put a towel over my head and inhale the steam. Some people also like to add a bit of Vic or Olbas oil to the water. Personally I don't like that because I find it makes my eyes sting, but you can certainly try that if you like. Do be careful, don't be using a bowl of hot water if there are children about. If you do want to help with steaming a child, then the easiest way to do that is to run them a warm bath or a warm shower, let them play in the bath or shower, close the windows and switch off the extractor fan in your bathroom, and that should hopefully provide enough steam. It's also important to stay well hydrated because your body's using up a lot of fluid to generate that mucus to trap the bug that's causing your infection. So it's important to stay well hydrated. You'll also find that you feel a bit achy and miserable when you have a cold or a cough, and so you can take something simple like paracetamol to help with that. So I hope some of that advice helped you to manage your cough this winter. Hopefully with this advice you can manage the cough effectively yourself at home. And unfortunately there isn't anything that I or any other GP can prescribe to make you better sooner or to stop you coughing.